talking about so we can do stuff on Angry Birds. But Angry Birds is fun.
Yeah, fun. It's so fun.
Yeah.
But you can also be Angry Birds.
Because Angry Birds is fun if you want to.
Yeah.
There's no Angry Birds website. Just look on the YouTube website or go on YouTube. You can see this video.
Yeah. But there is something about Angry Birds.
Because it's so much fun. So you want,
If you don't have the Angry Birds, you just go to the App Store and find Angry Birds. And then buy it.
But you can learn all about Angry Birds if you go on YouTube and go click onto this video. And anyway, we can watch the YouTube video because we have YouTube.
I don't even know how to click on. I don't even know how to get on YouTube with. I don't even know how to put this videos on YouTube.
Yeah, he doesn't. But with our big sister's help, we can send this on YouTube, and anybody that comes to our house will show you all about Angry Birds on this phone. So, see you later. Bye.